The moment that you walk into this project, you understand that you're in something different.
It's not just a building on a road, it's part of a really vibrant and active community. When we first saw the site, we knew this was the perfect site for a T3. It had all of the elements that we look for in a neighborhood that a T3 would fit into. A really buzzing and vibrant arts community, really high quality food options, and incredible access to transit. As both investors and property managers, 15 years ago, we started to see a trend. Office users were kind of pulling away from that traditional downtown core. People wanted to be in more authentic neighborhoods that were a little more live, work, play. There was a really big attraction to older brick and beam office buildings. There's just a vibe to them that is different than white drywall and a glass steel tower. Something we really heard a lot about from our customers is that they had a few pain points. These buildings really attracted people for the vibe, but weren't as high-tech as a more sophisticated office user might need. We started to think about recreating those types of office buildings with that unique, authentic vibe in these peripheral areas, but that perform like a brand new office building. And that was really the genesis of T3. T3 stands for timber, transit, and technology.
What I really love about these buildings is that they're these timber structures. Timber requires substantially less energy inputs to create versus concrete or steel. We let the wood be the aesthetic. Folding in all the state-of-the-art technology, the floor-to-ceiling glass, the high-performance envelope. We have this extremely comfortable workspace, but it's got all the richness of those old buildings. Studies have shown that being in an environment where you're exposed to biophilia has benefits to your cognitive performance, and therefore employers are finding higher productivity rates, less absenteeism. People are just generally happier.
T3 is one of the best situated office buildings that Toronto has to offer. Between streetcar, subway, our GO transit, train network, access to the highways, it really is one of the most accessible office projects in the country. Walking in, you see the connection to community, to art, to the junction itself.
You walk into the space and you just think, I want to come here every day.
We're looking for that social interaction, that sense of community, and the types of spaces that we've planned for this building, it's designed with that in mind. We were very, very purposeful about driving all the public spaces down to the ground floor. There's privately owned public space adjacent to the east building, and our social workspace opens out into that.
People have really enjoyed the flexibility of being able to work from home. And so if you want people to be excited about coming back to work, you need to give them a place that they're excited to go to work in. T3 Junction gives that to people.